Hello everyone, and welcome you back to another video where I'll be showing you a traffic source to rank your Fiverr gigs in just 2 days. My name is Akorede, and on this channel my number one goal is to help freelancers and entrepreneurs to be successful in their journey. And what are you going to learn in this video? You learn how to get 1000 clicks and impressions in just 2 days, and also you learn how to maximize your profits with this traffic source. So I would like you to stay with me to the end of this video so that you can get the full information which I'm about to pass across to you. Now, the name of the website is popcash.net. This is my own account, and what this website basically do is to help both publishers and advertisers. Publishers are those that participate in campaigns, and advertisers are those that run campaigns. The good thing about this website is that the money used for running campaign is very low, which anybody can afford. Now, you agree with me that to be successful in your freelance journey, you have to use your own money to run some unnecessary campaigns so that you can get awareness for yourself. And this is a website that you can use just only $1 to get 1000 people to your gig. I added $5 to this website, and I only use $2 to rank 2 gigs. In Nigeria now, $2 is just 600 naira, and I don't think it should be a problem for you to use just 600 naira to acquire so much of dollars into your bank. And I am very sure if your gigs has been ranked, there's no how you're not going to get buyers to your gigs. So these websites, it accepts PayPal payment and also other payment method, and Bitcoin as payment method also. So in case you want to add money into the website, but it also accepts card payment also. But I will advise you to use your card to do the payment, because I also use my card. So before you can run any campaign, you have to go to the billing section here to add money. So you can deposit at the billing section here. So you deposit your card. The minimum amount you can deposit is just $5, and I promise you, and you see the result, you are going to earn more than that $5 which you deposited to the website. So this is a very cool opportunity that you can grab right now, because with just $1 you can get 1000 people onto your gig. So to run campaign, just go to the campaign section over here, you click on it, and now we are in the campaign section. I offer customer service support on Fiverr, and this is one of the gig I've run campaign for in this website. I only use $1 for running campaign for this particular gig to rank it, and I've get tons of buyers to purchase that service on Fiverr. So the $1 that I use to run the campaign, I use to make a lot of money on Fiverr. So for you, if you want to run your own campaign, this green button right here, you're going to click it. That's create campaign button. So you want to create your own new campaign, make sure you get your Fiverr gig link ready, because that's what you're going to be needing in this campaign session. So now that you have gotten to the campaign session, meanwhile you've already added money, because if you don't add money, the campaign will not start. So you're going to give the campaign any name you like. You can give it, say, Fiverr campaign. Yes, Fiverr camp. Give it any name you like, and this is the place you are going to put your Fiverr gig link. So you scroll down, then you are going to add your budget. This budget here is the amount of money you want to use from your balance. You add $5, but let's say you want to run one campaign, then you want to set $1 as the budget I want to use. That's the budget section there. And daily budget is different from your budget. Assuming from that $1, you might determine to use 0.5 cents for daily budgets, but me, I'm going to put